Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video I will show you how to get unlimited dollars and convert it to TRX or Tron and earn unlimited money. So don't waste any time, and first I have one request: to please subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video with your friends. So you have to come on to your Chrome browser and search for kuhika.com. Search for kuhika.com and click on register. After clicking on register, put your email, username, password, confirm password, and verify captcha and register. So after putting your details, click on register. After clicking on register, this page will coming. Please confirm your email address, be able to withdraw. So you have to come on to your email. So you can see here, email have received to me, Kuhika Faucet. You have to click on confirm email address. After clicking on confirm email address, you have successfully verified your email address. You have to click on these three dots and click on manual faucet. After clicking on manual faucet, you have to verify the captcha. After verifying the captcha, click on collect your reward. You can see here, good job, you have received 0.000275 dollars. So you can claim 1,000 claims per day. So you can see here, so this rate will up slow. You can see here now I am earning 0.000275. This will up to 0. Up and up. This will up on to 0.0007. So that's the way to earn in this website. So in for withdraw, click on these three dots and click on dashboard. After clicking on dashboard, you have to, and this, your level will be increasing and your earning will be increasing as well. So you have to click on Bitcoin or PayPal, Perfect Money, Skrill, debit card, Nutella, WebMoney, OVO, GoPay, Dana, bank transfer. So that's the ways to earn in this. So you will receive 4 satoshis of this that you have withdrawing right now. So I didn't to withdraw, so I have to withdraw in PayPal, and the next video will be about how to withdraw to PayPal, and that will be live payment proof of this website after 3 days or 4 days. So that's all for this video. Like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. And you can see the Trustpilot reviews of this website. Bye.